Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple stir-fry noodles. All the ingredients you'll need are noodles, of course, tomatoes, onions, bell pepper, ginger, spring onions, green chili, peas, cumin, coriander powder, and a little MSG, and ketchup, soy sauce. Cut up all your ingredients beforehand so it's all set to go. Add some oil to the pan and let it heat up. Add all your vegetables for now, and we'll add the seasonings and sauce later. Add all the seasonings. And finally, the sauce. Add your noodles and saute until it's cooked. Garnish with cilantro and it's ready to eat.